In this video, I'm gonna teach you how to change Siri to Apple Intelligence. It's a very easy process, so make sure to follow along. Apple Intelligence has been released a few months ago, and it is available if you update your iPhone to iOS 18. So I'm gonna go over the process of updating and enabling Apple Intelligence, which essentially replaces or works in conjunction with Siri. And it is designed to enhance your user experience. So to set up Apple Intelligence, there are going to be the main requirements of course, updating to the necessary iOS version, and then you need to be aware of the model of iPhones that are supported. Apple Intelligence is only available for the iPhone 16 models, the iPhone 15 Pro, and the iPhone 15 Pro Max. If you have any other model besides these ones, you will not be able to use Apple Intelligence. So in short, you need the standard iPhone 16, 16 Pro, 16 Pro Max, and then either the iPhone 15 Pro or 15 Pro Max. You will not be able to use it if you have the standard iPhone 15, so keep that in mind. Anything older like the 14, 13, 12, and so on will also not have Apple Intelligence. But let's go over the process. Open the settings, go into the general category as you can see here, and now you will find software update. Check to see if you are eligible to update to iOS 18, and if you have the update available, you will be able to use Apple Intelligence. So when you are done updating to iOS 18, under the General and the Accessibility categories, there will be a new option here. This new option is of course going to be Apple Intelligence. So you might get a pop-up similar to this one where they list out all of the features, tap continue, and when you access the settings and you look under the general and accessibility categories, you will find Apple Intelligence and Siri. So as you can see, they essentially integrated Siri into Apple Intelligence. All that you have to do now is enable it. If you cannot enable it straight away, just request access. And another thing to note is that the region of your device must be set to the US. You need to set the region of Siri and your iPhone to the US, and this should grant you access to Apple Intelligence as long as you are running iOS 18 on the iPhone 16 models or the iPhone 15 Pro or Pro Max. I hope I was able to help you on how to change Siri to Apple Intelligence. If this video helped you, please be sure to leave a like and subscribe for more very easy tips. Thank you for watching.